coming out.
Yeah.
Nothing at match doesn't help.
That is a big tank. Adrian's changing his stock tank to a larger tank on his bike. So what we're doing right now is we're just moving the fuel pump over from the stock tank to the larger one. This is what his bike looks like, kind of naked.
Naked.
It's a nice bike. I love this bike. This is like my dream bike. This is the one I originally wanted.
But some dick in it.
Just want to show you we got the new tank on. Looks awesome. Works great. We put new levers on it. We plugged in a power port to the auxiliary plug behind the headlight. Had to take that all off, but all the side panels, everything fits on just great. New levers are nice. And the tank, he had the seat recovered. The seat looks really good. Knocked it down a couple inches. It's looking good.